back with another review. This time I have the Coach, I think it's called the Coach L. It's the Coach Small L Zip Card Case. And I purchased this one right here off of Mercari. And I want to say I got it for like $25. I tried to look it up and I couldn't find it, but I want to say I paid like $25. But it was brand new, and whoever had it, they had purchased it from Dillard's because the tag was still in here, and the tag said $30, but I want to say they sold it for like $25. So here it is, and this is in the signature print. And it's in the color Tan and Rust. So here it is. There's, if it focuses. And then here is the back. You have your little 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. And then here is the inside. And you can put like cards in the inside, or you can put some money. So it has these card slots. Let's put a couple of cards in here. So here's that one. Let's see, here's, let me make sure I got that. There's that one. There's, if I can get it in there, there's that one. And it's kind of, I don't know, they seem kind of tight. This right here, I don't know if you will be able to double it. If you do, I think it's going to be really tight, but I think over time it will loosen up. But right now, this is like really tight. So I don't think I would keep trying to put more in there. But there's the 4 right there. And then right here, you just unzip that. And you can either put some money in here, or you can put money and like your ID or something in here, because there's 2 more cards in there. Let's see, I put 2 more in there, so there's total 4 cards and a couple of dollars. Let me zip it up, and it zips up perfect. It's not busting at the seams or anything like that. So this is like a cute little zip wallet. And so I have it in this print, and then I purchased another one from Macy's a while back, and this is in the color taupe. And I actually got this one to go with my Cassie that I have in the color taupe. So here it is, and it's in the color taupe and silver. And so here's the back. It's just the exact same. And then here's the inside. So yeah, it retails for $50. And I want to say this one right here, I got this one for like $30 from Macy's. And you can find these pretty much everywhere. They still sell these on the outlet site too. So if you're looking to get one, you shouldn't have a hard time trying to find one. So yeah. So here they are, the signature print, and then in the color taupe. So yeah, y'all, just want to share this with you guys. And like always, if you have any questions, just let me know and I will get back to you guys. Bye.